Welcome to our discussion on variables and data. In this video, we'll explore what variables are, why they're important, and the different types you'll encounter in data analysis. We will start from the very basic and work up. What exactly is a variable? It might seem obvious, but it's a fundamental concept. A variable is a symbol representing a concept, and its characteristics can have different values, intensities, or magnitudes. In simpler terms, a variable is a changing number where its value can vary. What's the opposite of a variable? It's a constant. A constant is a number that doesn't change. It always stays the same. Let's consider an example. Imagine Sarah, a manager at a local retail company, surveys customers about their satisfaction with products and services. The variable here is customer satisfaction. The values of this variable will differ from customer to customer, hence it's a variable. Each customer has their own satisfaction score. These scores can also change over time, making it a variable in both name and effect. Variables can be categorized based on their properties. First, we have nominal variables. With nominal variables, there's no inherent ranking between categories or attributes. The values assigned to categories simply represent the category names. Examples include gender, race, or blood type. Then there are ordinal variables. Ordinal variables have a ranking between categories or attributes. The values assigned represent the category name and its rank, but the intervals between ranks aren't necessarily equal. Examples include grades such as A, B, C, education level, or economic status. Next, let's discuss interval and ratio variables. Interval variables have equal intervals between measured categories, but the assigned values are on an arbitrary scale, with no true 0 point. Therefore, addition is permissible, but multiplication is not. An example is temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Ratio variables also have equal intervals between measured categories, and the assigned values have a true 0 point. Both addition and multiplication are permissible. Examples include height, weight, age, or time. Often, discrete or categorical variables are qualitative, while continuous variables are quantitative. However, the two types can sometimes be mixed. Considering Sarah's customer satisfaction survey, what type of variable is customer satisfaction? It depends on how it's measured. If Sarah just categorized satisfaction as high, medium, or low, then it is ordinal. If she asks the customer to rate it between 1 and 10 and treats the answer mathematically, then it could be considered interval.